Happy Easter, Grandma and Grandpa. Say the Easter Bunny came today. Say the Easter Bunny came today. Look what the Easter Bunny brought for you. Oh, look, it's a little bunny. Oh, you get the bunny kisses. You get the bunny kisses? You know what else the bunny brought for you? Bunny brought you a book. Oh, look at the book. Are you going to eat the book instead? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah? You like the book? Say Happy Easter. To show everybody your little bunny outfit. Look at your bunny